Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking homemade lasagna. Yeah, that's right, homemade lasagna. I'm going to show y'all the ingredients I'm going to be using to cook my homemade lasagna, the process, and I'll also show y'all a nice hot plate of homemade lasagna. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Hey everyone, I am back. I'm showing y'all my ingredients, what I'm going to be using. I have my cheese. I have the Great Value medium cheddar. I have I have one pack of these, and I have the sharp cheddar. I also have my Parmesan cheese, the Kraft, and I have the Velveeta mozzarella cheese. I have 3 bags of these. I have my cayenne pepper, my Creole seasoning, ricotta cheese. A lot of people don't like ricotta cheese, but I like it because of the flavor, so I'm just going to use 1 layer of the ricotta cheese. I have my Prego sauce. I don't use the marinara sauce. I use the regular Italian sauce which you use on spaghetti. So this is the roasted garlic and herb kind. I have 2 of these. I have the traditional kind. I have the roasted garlic Parmesan kind. And I have the garden chunky tomato, onion, and garlic kind. Also, I have a bay leaf that I'm going to put in my sauce for added flavor. I'm also going to use some green onions. I have ground turkey. I have a small pack of ground turkey because I mainly want to use the ground beef. And of course, I have my lasagna noodles. So I have already chopped up my green onion and my white onion. So now I'm getting ready to add this to my ground beef and my ground turkey. I have my ground turkey right here, and I have my ground beef right here. So I'm going to chop it up a little bit. And then I'm going to add my onions and my white onion and my green onion. And I'm going to cook it in the same pot. Okay, I'm going to add my seasoning. Put some cayenne pepper. I'm going to let this cook. Now I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to let this cook for about 15 more minutes. I'm going to turn y'all back on so y'all can see how it looks. It's looking good, everyone. I'm gonna get my sauce and stuff ready. Once I drain the oil off of this meat. I'm gonna mix my sauce in with this. I already have my water on for my noodles. And I'm gonna add a little salt to that water. My meat is ready, so I'm getting ready to drain my meat. I'm gonna put it back in the same skillet, and I'm gonna add my Prego sauce to it, and 1 bay leaf. Okay, now I'm adding my sauce. I already drained my meat. Okay, now I'm going to add, I guess I can add 2 bay leaves. I already added my salt to my water. Now I'm going to add my lasagna noodles. Have my noodles cooking on this side. Eventually they gonna go, see, they going down in a pot once they cook down. And go ahead and stir my sauce in with my meat. So I'm gonna let this cook down for about 20 minutes, and I'll be back to show y'all how I do my ricotta cheese. Now I have my noodles done. You want to cook them halfway done, not all the way done, because you don't want them to break apart once you mix everything up with your cheese and your sauce for your lasagna. Okay, now I'm on back. Everything is done. The only thing I did was just mix this ricotta cheese in this bowl. I just stirred it up. I didn't mix no egg or nothing with it this time. So I'm gonna just get my noodles, and I'm gonna put them in the pan. Leave it alone, come on. You want to overlap them. Okay, now I'm getting ready to put some sauce on top. And you want to just spread it over the noodles. Like this. Make sure you cover the noodles. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put one layer of this ricotta cheese on top. Okay, this is how I put my ricotta cheese on mine. I'm just gonna spread it on and with the sauce. Leave that alone, come on. Now I'm getting ready to add my mozzarella cheese. Put it in the trench when it come out. I'm just gonna spread that cheese around. And I'm gonna add some cheddar cheese. So mix it, come out. Add some cheddar cheese. Okay, that's one layer, and I'm getting ready to do the second layer. So I'm gonna add some more noodles. Leave that alone, come on. No, you gotta wait. Always remember to overlap the noodles. Okay, now I'm getting ready to add another layer of sauce. I'm just gonna spread this sauce around it, and I'm gonna add my cheese to it. Now I'm getting ready to add some more Parmesan cheese. Add some more cheddar cheese. And I'm gonna add some more of my mozzarella cheese. Okay, finish adding my noodles. Okay, now I can add the rest of my sauce. Add some more sauce. Okay, the pan is covered with sauce. Now I'm getting ready to add the last layer of cheese. Okay, here go my mozzarella cheese. I like a lot of mozzarella cheese on my lasagna. That's why I purchased 3 bags of this cheese. I'm gonna use some more of the meat and cheddar cheese. And then I can put the rest of my mozzarella. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes in the oven, and I will show y'all the ending result. I'm back, y'all. My lasagna is done. I added some parsley flakes to it. Okay, how the food taste, y'all?
Delicious.
Delicious. Come on, how the food taste?
Good.
Good. Alrighty, and they have some red Hawaiian punch. Just drinking some water. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.